guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel. So for today's video we are going to be organizing my makeup collection. If you want to see my declutter, I did just post that a couple videos ago, so be sure to check it out. But let me show you what we're working with right now. So I don't have a whole beauty room, but I have designated a whole area to what I would consider to be my beauty room. So right now my desk is a hot mess express. Right here, this was a little crazier. I will insert some footage for you to see, but yeah, as you can see, I took out the makeup drawers and they are currently all on my floor post declutter. It's not focusing, but yeah, hot mess. Kind of got stuff everywhere, and then this shelf. So I'm going to take it step by step. We're gonna start off over here. Okay, so for this part I am just cleaning my desk. So I had a lot of brushes laying around, so I kind of put them in their cups and I put those back. And I have a lot of empty packages as well, and empty boxes that just need to be emptied out, cleaned out, and loose makeup that needs to be put back in their home. Alright, so we are now in a new section of my room. So I just picked up a new set of these IKEA drawers. I already had those first two, but then I picked up a new one. So this is me organizing those drawers and setting them up in the order that I want them, and just making sure everything is stable and fitting correctly, nothing's wobbly, and just, you know, getting it in the order that I want it to be in. So now you're going to see me taking those pre-existing drawers that I had already filled from the first two sets, and I'm kind of putting them in the general space where I think they belong, as well as reorganizing and separating things that were in the same drawer that I want to give more space to. So like I said, just giving everything a home for now. So now we're moving in a little bit closer, and originally the first set of drawers was actually only face stuff, and everything just got really crowded that they weren't fitting in the drawers anymore. So now that I have three sets, I'm just kind of separating things, giving them more breathing room. Like for example, my blushes were really cramped in there. Now I can separate them into two different drawers. So yeah, my drawers, by the way, are really dirty. I am cleaning them later, I promise. So this is me taking a closer look at the drawers and kind of organizing the stuff a little bit more, taking out things I don't want, and yeah, just really just cleaning up those drawers because things were just kind of thrown in there. So along the top here is where pretty things are supposed to be on display, but yeah, as my drawers were becoming overfilled, it just became me throwing my junk on top of there and throwing the things that didn't fit on top of there, and it was driving me nuts how messy it looked. So here I am finally getting everything in order up there. So what's really neat about these IKEA cubes is you can get these drawers. So the first two drawers I dedicated to my eye stuff, and I really like them because you can put junky things in there and it looks okay. So what is up? Welcome to day 2 of organizing my makeup collection. Yeah, I got tired last night, so I went to bed. But we're gonna finish up today. I'm not going to do like a tour to show you what is in the drawer specifically and me really going in deep and just kind of organizing everything really nicely. I want to leave a little bit of mystery for when I actually do like my vanity makeup collection tour. This video is really just so you can see me kind of organizing, and I don't know, I really like time-lapse videos. So we are going to move on to this corner of my room. This is like where I currently store my palettes. I'm looking for a new situation. I don't know what I'm going to do, but yeah.
So again, this is just another spot where somehow all of the junk I had ended up on top. So a lot of it is products that I wanted to leave out for videos, and it just became a dump. So let's pick that up, right? My palette collection has really become out of hand recently, and I hardly have enough room for all of my palettes, which is very frustrating. So here I am attempting to make them all fit, but let's be honest here, I need to give them away. But will that happen? Probably not.
So it's literally like 5 days later because I couldn't get my act together to film this outro. Yeah, my makeup collection is now all organized. I didn't go into super detail about the products and how exactly they're ordered and all of that stuff. I'm saving that for my makeup collection tour, which I'm gonna be honest, I don't know when that's gonna be up, just because I want to have my makeup collection storage feel pretty perfect, and right now there's a couple things that I want to change. But that being said, I am gonna show you the after now. Alright, so as you can see, my makeup desk is all cleared. That's my tripod that I film on. Over here, this is my favorite part. Everything is all organized and in its place. All of these drawers are where they need to be with the products that they need to be. These drawers are organized. The very bottom was never really messy, so I just kind of left it. I have stuff off the floor. That light is what's behind me when I film. I erased the month because it was like November and it's the end of January now, and I need to fill that out. And then finally, my palettes are all pretty, I mean, they're not super organized, but they're way neater than they were before. This is what I mostly want to change. I'm thinking about potentially getting some floating shelves all the way along this wall and putting my palettes there. What do you guys think? But yeah, as of now, this is my little makeup corner of my room. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video for more, like this video for a makeup collection, and maybe I'll get my act together. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, have a great day.